So I'm now going to show you how to add in a new customer address if it's not already there. So where you go to is you go to debtors and customers and put in the customer account you are searching for. Again, you can type in here as well, so it's the account code, or type under the name. So say it's GT Exhaust NI Limited, okay? And you want to add a new address. So we double click that and we hit customer addresses, and then you hit add new address. So just type in your address then. So say we'll do 45 Lorna Killaway. Town is Enniskillen, so just fill in your details. County is County Fermanagh. Postcode is BT744DS. Country, fill in, is obviously Northern Ireland, but again you fill in the details specific for you. Again, if you know the person within the place, or the phone number, which we know is 02866322282. Again, fax number or mobile number if you know it. Now this is the most important part with the delivery addresses. Click settings. Always tick delivery address and always tick include account name on documents. If these are not ticked, if delivery address is not ticked, it means that when you are searching in the sales order screen, it'll not come up if that's not ticked. And include account name and documents. If that's not ticked, that means the name of the business will not appear on any invoices or statements. So always make sure these are clicked. Click save and close once you've all that done. And again, it'll bring you back to the screen and you just have to escape, and that'll bring you, and that's your new address added in.